How to add overlay on CapCut Desktop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how you can add overlay on CapCut Desktop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the CapCut and import all of the video that you want to use. So first of all, you have to select your main video and then drag the video to your timeline. If you want to reduce the length of this video, you can do that as well. But if not, you can just leave it the way it is. Now to add overlay, select the video that you want to add as overlay to this original or this main video. For example, I have this video right here and I want to add this video as the overlay. You have to click on it and drag the video to the timeline, but place it just above your main video. Now, if you want to reduce the size of this video, you can do that by dragging this video and make it to the size that you want. And here you can place it anywhere you want. Click on it and then simply drag its position. Once you're done with that, now you can hit over the slider to this video. And as you can see, this video that I want to add as overlay has taken up all of the screen. So if you want to reduce its size, there is the slide bar for scale. You have to reduce this scale. If you want to increase it, you can scale it up. But for now, I will just scale it down and reduce its size. Now click on this video on the screen and you can place it wherever you like. Here, now you can repeat the same for the other video as well. Click on the next video that you want to add an overlay and then again drag it into the timeline and then place it just at the top. So you have to keep on stacking the video. Here you can reduce its length again. So click on its endpoint and then drag it and reduce its length. And here you can place it wherever you like. But for now, I will just stack it at the top. And as you can see, this video has also taken up all of the screen. I want to scale it down. So for that, again, you can use this slide bar for the scale here and scale this video down a little bit. And then you can click on this video and drag it and place it wherever you like. You can scale it down a little bit. And as you can see, the overlay has been added. So you can repeat the same steps for the other video that you want to add. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.